believe that people perceive our industry as being a 100-year-old industry with 100-year-old technology. But innovation is at the heart of what we do every day. And yes, we have really cool technology too.
If you have any background in innovation, this is a place where you can actually apply it. You get to work on things that can make people safer and make their job easier and quicker.
Math is my mind and forest is my heart. I always want to work for a place where I can use both.
In everything that we do, we think about, is there a better way of doing this? It's not just a department or something top-down. It's something that we do and practice every day.
We've seen Spot on social media and said, hey, we need to jump on that. I think we can make something out of that. So what we use Spot for primarily is thermal imaging. You can get into spots that you wouldn't want to send a person. We can take Spot and check in these critical pieces of equipment. The more often you can run these missions, the better off you are at finding a potential problem. I feel very fortunate to take advantage of these new opportunities that other people might think is a waste of time, because it could be a bust or it could be a major benefit, but you don't know unless you try.
You never know what the next big breakthrough is. You know, you look at how much money we spend for maintenance across the year. 1% may equal, hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. If we have steam leaks, motors that are running high, it's a lot easier to fix it before it breaks or before we get to complete failure. Then on the back side of that, we run better, but it also reduces our cost and our natural resource use.
We have been testing the creation of digital twins. The drone will fly around the object, and within minutes, we will have a twin of that machine center. Then, people like me can analyze the data from a safe distance. We're using drone technology to do mapping. I use it to analyze the inventories. Our Timberlands group is using it for pre-harvest, post-harvest evaluations, fire mitigation, fire responses.
When some extreme events happen, like a fire, the operation need real-time information to help them make a crisis response plan. We make technology work. You can see the immediate impact. Feels, a sense of achievement.
There's a lot of folks here that have been here for 20 years. They have an inherent connection to the machine, the smell, the feeling of the ground around them. Their gut reaction to the things around them is what drives success. This team has been tremendous in helping program the AI. Hopefully, we'll get to a place where we can have what you may think of as like an adaptive cruise control.
And that's our secret sauce. So if I can map those hugely experienced operators into an AI and ML, then I would be set for the next 100 years. And that's the journey that we are on in terms of amplifying the knowledge that we have, the collective knowledge of 9,500 people. Cutting Edge is a tool that is accessible to every employee in the company, and it's very democratized. It takes a few clicks and you submit an idea. It gets reviewed, it gets commented on, there's cross-pollination opportunities, and then it gets implemented. And that's what is exciting about Weyerhaeuser is the power of people, 9,500 minds thinking how we can do things better.
Continuing to do what we've always done is great, but it's not going to get us better. It's something that creates energy not only in me, but in the majority of our team. Is, hey, we can find better ways to do things. We're going to take some of those risks. We're going to try some of those things. Those things make me really proud to be here.
This is a facility where people have had to build machines to make their lives easier or safer. It didn't exist. They came up with it. They drew it. And I think across the business lines, every plant does that. It's just built into our family.
Many times the technology, people think about quick wins and short term. Growing trees, they take a long time. We're really taking a long-term view. Every year we're trying to build upon the bar that we set last year, and every year we are improving. So we're not looking at the end goal of the destination. The journey is itself exciting.